Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Fashion Nova app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Fashion Nova app. After the home page of the Fashion Nova app opens up on your screen, on the top left corner of your screen you'll see a menu option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that menu option, a bunch of other options or buttons will appear on your screen. On that screen, click on the My Account option. After you click on the My Account option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the bottom of your screen just above the Create Account option, you'll see the Forgot Password link. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on the Forgot Password option, a tab will appear on your screen. On that screen, you'll have to fill in your email address here and then click on the Send Link button. Once you click on the Send Link button, a link will be sent to your email address, which will help you to reset your password on the Fashion Nova app. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Fashion Nova app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.